Here's a product, very nicely done product. I wonder whose product this is. But on this product here, they've got this great video log. Very, very cool video. All right, so just pause that. I'm going to give you the link for that so you can go and check it out. And the question is, how in the hell, send to all, did they get that video on their Amazon product listing? Because what we have seen is there is a significant increase in on-page conversions when you have a video like this on your page. It's a significant increase in your conversions. So how the hell do you do it? Well, firstly, it is via invitation only. That's invitation only. So you basically get invited to put a video on your page like that. Secondly, you'll need to be what's called brand registered to do that, which means you'll need a trademark for your particular product before you can go ahead and get your video and get your brand registry. You need to trademark your product. And in America, that takes typically 7 months or so, something like that. So it's a bit of a long-term strategy, but well worth doing. But worry ye not, there is an easier way to get videos onto your page. And if we just scroll down a little bit, so you can see this is all brand registered. It's got this lovely thing. And we've got related short videos just here. And these, whilst they look crap on a PC, they are very difficult to find, and it takes a lot of scrolling to get down to them on a PC. However, if you look at this listing on a mobile, they are very prominent, and these are awesome for mobiles and also on the Amazon app. So first lesson within that is that there's actually 4 different Amazon.coms, and each of them behaves differently, and they're platform specific. So the Amazon app, which you can run on your mobile phone, you should definitely get that, is one way. Just running from the main website, Amazon.com, from your browser on your mobile phone, on an iPad, and then on your PC. And that's 4 different platforms, all behaving very differently as well. So it's always worthwhile looking at your listing on each different platform so you know how it looks and how it behaves. And there's oftentimes things that you can do to optimize for different platforms. However, so you can get these related short videos up without being brand registered. And that's actually a very simple process to do. So let me show you how to do that. My preferred method is this. Go to gen.video. I'll give you the link. These people will upload. So there's currently 3 different suppliers who's got to deal with Amazon. And Amazon's basically outsourced the production of related videos. So these are one of them, and in my opinion, these offer the best value for money, okay? And the reason I really like gen.video is because you've got 2 options. You can either do the video yourself, which is fantastic, and I really recommend that you think about doing your own videos, or you can pay an influencer to do the video for you, and that's going to cost you somewhere between $250 and $25,000 depending on the influencer and their recognition within your marketplace. But there's an influencer market on here as well. And the one that you need is this one here, premium, $24.99 a month. And you can upload your own videos, and you can do 10 videos per month you can upload. So that's pretty bloody sexy. $25 to get your products with videos on is an absolute no-brainer to get them done. Let's just go back across to it so you can see how that looks. Where are you? Here we are. So here's all your related shorts, and that comes up, as you'll see, on a mobile device or on the app very prominently, and it's well worth doing. So that's how you do that. That's how you get your video up there. $24.99 a month. Gen.video is who I use and really like. The other thing that you may not have seen that I think is really, really interesting, something that Amazon's currently doing through what's called Spark, which is its own attempt at a social media platform, a little bit like Pinterest, a little bit like Facebook in terms of its news feed, sent to all. So you may not have seen these, but Amazon's now listing videos, which are these videos from the related shorts, now get their own page on what is basically on Spark, although it's kind of run through Amazon.com, but it's basically through Spark, okay? And that's very, very sexy and very, very cool, because what it means is that Amazon's going to be pushing, as I've been saying for a long time, video more and more and more and more, which is all about building brands, which is all about branding your company and kind of taking your business to the next level through that. But that's going to be super, super sexy. David said, can I show the product being used? Well, that is a really, really good thing to do, because that will reduce the number of people that refund for your product, particularly if your product is a little bit confusing in how it's used. And so one tip I've got for you is, if your video is hosted here, so let's just have a look. If your video is hosted here, so Instant Pot Noodle Bolognese, that's the video. I can use that link, let's pause that, I can use that link there, and when I send out an email to my customers, if I have that link in, Amazon will allow me to put a link in first and foremost, which is very, very important in a follow-up email. Oftentimes they strip out those links, but if it's on Amazon.com owned website, they'll let it pass. And it's also what's called a live link, which means you can click it rather than just copying and pasting it and putting it into your browser. So again, extremely important. If you don't want to use Amazon.com, then you should use something called Amazon S3. And Amazon S3 will host your video for you. Just had a moment of panic there where I thought I was logged in. Amazon S3 will host your video for you. And then again, because Amazon owns this platform, S3, your link is live, and because of that, it's clickable link, and it's techie. So Fiverr.com is your friend, and all you need to do is search for Amazon S3, and you will find people who will upload your video for you and set everything up for you. All these people, I will set up your Amazon S3 account, blah blah blah, for $5. Boom, done. So that's a good tip to use. I use that all the time. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.